Alright, this is a little bench setup here. I'm testing a 5-axis motion control system. And you can see here we've got 5 stepper motors, 5 stepper drivers. This is running off just a 24 volt power supply I had laying around. The key to it is this. We have a Raspberry Pi. This is running CNCJS front end. We'll see that in a minute on the laptop. And this is the actual motion controller here. This is flashed with G2, and that's moving all of the stepper motors. So all the G code and everything, all the machine homing, everything is done on here. Everything is streamed over via USB and then buffered into this board, so you get nice smooth motion out of this board, which means your UI can crash or become disconnected, and your machine will continue to move. Here's the UI. This is CNCJS. You can see here we're on a local web page that's hosted by the Pi, so you can have this on as many devices or screens as you want. This is a pretty traditional CNC interface. Uses regular G code. Of your axes jogging over here, and kind of see the if you're running a job, the extent of the job, which is kind of nice. Any macros you want over here, probing macro, manual spindle control, laser here if you have that. There's also a setup for a camera if you want to run a camera in it. Your different modal groups down here, power levels if you enable on-the-fly power control for your motors. And these are the different boards. You can arrange this interface and add or move around any of the widgets as you see fit. Connection, MDI panel. But here it is working. Run a little macro down here. It just kind of loops all of these. Click this. And run our macro. And there we go. X, Y, Z, A, and B. All running. I've got it set reasonably slow now. I've got all these drivers set to pretty low power. This is the first successful test of my own custom version of G2 running all these stepper motors.